The Miui 10 is here and it comes with a lot of things, so let's check out its features. So, Xiaomi has rolled out the Miui 10 update on the Note 5 Pro and you can get it into the settings. It is a stable update and not a beta version, so it is gonna be there and you can download it right away. The major change in the update is the working interface of your phone. It has changed a lot and mostly from the outside. On the home page, the notification bar and the recents too. So now when you swipe from the top, you will see that the notification tab opens, and if you swipe once again, you will see that more options appear. All the buttons over here are redesigned and they look pretty good. Even the brightness bar has changed and it looks something like this. Talking about the main part over here, that are the notifications, they have also changed slightly. The notifications are now much easier to read and they have much cleaner interface. You can also reply to the messages directly without even opening the app. Now talking about the recent bar, it has also got a completely new look. The recent tabs, which were previously arranged in horizontal, are now arranged in a pattern, which I don't know why but feels attractive. You can also see that on the top there is a split screen option, so now you can swipe the recent tabs to remove any one of them, and if you touch and hold one of the tabs, you will see that there are three options, which are lock tab, split screen and about the app. Another feature that has been included is the new interface of the volume increase and decrease button. So now when you click the volume up or volume down button, you will see that the previously horizontal bar, which used to be there on the top, is now changed to this vertical bar on the side of the screen. Also, when you press this small button in the bottom, you will get other options related to sound. And that is it. No, there is one more feature, and that is full screen display. So previously it was even available in MIUI 9.5 inside gestures, but now it has got a totally new tab in the settings, and that is full screen display. So from here you can turn this on and you will see that all the buttons in the bottom have been disappeared, and now the phone will totally work on gestures. So now to go back to the home screen, you just swipe from the bottom towards the top, and you'll go back to the home screen. To go on the recents bar, swipe from the bottom and hold. So now you can see that the recent apps are here. And lastly, to go back, you can swipe from the side of the screen. You can also do that from the other side. Another thing is that when you swipe from the side and hold, you can directly switch to the previous app which you were using, and that too works from both the sides. See that? It just switched back to the settings. So that is it, the MIUI 10 stable update for the Redmi Note 5 Pro.